Ente penjajah, suka ngambil tanah Palestina.
Performance by
לא מסתבך, אני יודע לצחוק גם
ישראל.
אתה דומה לאינדיאני.
Israel. You from Israel?
Indiani.
No,
You in India?
No.
You India?
No. Singapore.
You
Singapore.
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 Ulala.
Ulala. Ini bapaknya siapa sih? Pak RT kali ini. Israel. Dia from Israel ya?
Come. You want to come Israel?
No, because Israel war always. I am afraid of rocket.
You sweet baby, you sweet.
Woi, Bang. Israel.
Neymar.
You from Israel, Bang?
Yeah.
Oh, mantep dah, Bang. Don't war, Bang.
Fuck you. Nanti kita kan.
Penjajah inti, Bang. Inti penjajah, suka ngambil tanah Palestina. Tahu gak itu? Ngerti gak? Denger gak? Jangan suka ngambil tanah orang. Itu gak berkah.
Enggak juga.
Gak berkah tanah itu tuh. Itu ruangan punya Palestina itu, Bang. Wah, parah juga lu ambil tanah orang lu. Aduh tuh AC-nya Palestina tuh ya. Abang dah. Israel hati-hati kena roket Hamas inti. Bang, roket Hamas, Bang.
Aja fuck Hamas, fuck you.
Roket Hamas to your house. Jebret. Door. Lagi stres, Bang. Bang, Israel, Bang. Israel ya? Singapura, Bang. You're from Israel, Bang. Tel Aviv, Bang. You're from Tel Aviv.
Yes.
Oh, Tel Aviv.
תגיד, אני אח שרמוטה.
Sharmuta. I don't speak Hebrew, Bang. I don't speak Hebrew. Inti ada aja penjajah inti.
I learn you.
Don't war with Hamas, Bang. Yeah.
Fuck Hamas.
Oh, aduh, fuck Hamas aja lo. Myanmar. Halo. You from Myanmar? Iya. Wah, your voice very little. I cannot hear you. I am from Indonesia. Indonesia. You from Burma? Oh. Aung San Suu Kyi dong. Ininya. Yeah. Where is Aung San Suu Kyi? I cannot hear you nih. Your voice disappear.
How to say hello in Indonesia in English language.
Halo ya, just halo, hi gitu.
Halo,
hi. Apa kabar? Gitu. Apa kabar ya? How are you? Gitu.
Kabar.
Cakep juga lu, lama aku liatin. Baik. I'm fine. What's your name?
I'm Laura.
Laura. Laura.
Yes.
Oh, Laura. You student? Yeah. Nah, are you a student?
What about you?
My name.
What about you?
Apa?
Yes.
My name Termos Popmi. Termos.
For me? How old are you?
Termos Popmi tuh. My name Termos Popmi. I read there.
Termos Popmi.
Yeah. How is Myanmar right now? Is it safe?
A little sick, a little.
Oh, because of the military coup over there. Yeah, Aung San Suu Kyi in ini jail, detention.
What about your country?
Oh, my country. Ini is fuck up because of the coronavirus. The coronavirus spreading so quickly, and then so many people die because of the coronavirus in my region, especially in the capital city. Pada meninggal banyak banget, and the hospital full of the capacity. What is I love you in Myanmar language?
Nganin kucite.
I love you too. Saja dong udah.
Okay.
Angola.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Halo.
How are you?
I'm good, bro. You from Angola, bro?
No, not Angola. Wallahi, Australia.
Oh, Australia. It is written Angola sih.
Yeah, I know it's written Angola. I hate it, bro.
Oh, you use VPN. Yeah.
No VPN. This one is glitch.
Oh, glitch.
Yeah.
Oh, from Ome TV. Dah, Bang.
What? You're Indonesian, right?
Iya, I am from Indonesia. I use VPN to Australia.
What is it called? Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Waduh, you very good. Bahasa Indonesia.
Selamat siang.
Selamat siang. Right now, selamat malam. Selamat malam.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum mulu nih. Jadinya nih. You've been Indonesia? Have you been Indonesia?
No, I study Indonesia.
You study Indonesia?
No. 3 years ago, I studied Indonesian language.
Indonesian language. Waduh. So you know much about itu Indonesian language?
Yeah, that's what I know how to count to 5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 7.
Namanya lupa deh. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Ini 6. 6. 6.
Yeah. 6.
6, yeah. 7. 6. 6.
6.
6 gitu. Apa sih? Ukraine. Halo, you from Ukraine? Wah, mantap Ukraine. I know Ukraine. Andriy Shevchenko.
Yes.
Iya.
Football.
Iya, football player. Andriy Shevchenko from AC Milan dulu. Speednya 19. The speed in the PS1 Shevchenko 19. You play song, yeah.
Yes.
Oh iya, sing dong, sing for me. Mantap.
It only takes 2 hours to Nevada.
Pakai kamera gini nggak blur gitu ya?
He called me your mama.
Kemarin aja di Australia nih.
Hi.
How is it going, mate? Wah.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Waduh, what are you doing nih?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing. I'm just chatting aja in Ome.
Okay.
Why your voice like that? Kenapa sih?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Why your voice like that?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? I'm not mean.
Rude.
I am plus. I'm not mean.
Karimastes.
Cupapi munyenya. Myanmar. Bang, you from Myanmar, Bang?
And you're from Philippines?
No, from Indonesia. Be careful, you Myanmar. There is a coup. Yeah. Yes. Military coup in your country. Aduh, kasihan Aung San Suu Kyi. Where is she now?
He's in house arrest.
Oh, house arrest. Wah, by military. Yeah. Aduh, stay at home because Myanmar is not safe right now. People shot by military. I see in the video, in the internet. Yeah. It's a sad story. Myanmar. Be careful, Myanmar. What's your name, Bang? Siapa nama inti, Bang?
My name is Paul.
Paul. Pon. Klepon. Your full name Klepon. Apa? Myanmar.
Are you streamer?
No, I'm gamer. I'm gaming, brother. You in the Myanmar lockdown nih. Nih. Because the military coup. Bang. Aduh.
Which game do we play?
Apaan? What?
Which game do we play?
Your voice is very low. I cannot hear you. Do you have microphone nggak? Ditulis dong. Ente suaranya kecil diterus. Oh, which game? Game-nya Genshin Impact. Tuh. Do you know that game nggak? Genshin Impact. You don't know ya? Ya, ini mah kita namanya bukan video call, chatting, ketik-ketik. I play PUBG Mobile Legend. Mobile Legend bang. Wah, I am Gord, user Gord. Gitu. I mage. Le Myanmar gitu. Itu nih kerjaan nih pasti dia yang beban nih. Iyu nih kebanyakan farming. You farming terus sih, farming always. I'm jaga-jagain get the turret. You farming always you. Iya. Ngekill bab ungu lagi. Nih ente nih pasti dia yang beban. You are the burden of the team. Beban.